Be blessed by the divine. May the Almighty force and our Guru protect us, guide us, lead us, support us day and night at all times, in all places, and in all our duties. Good afternoon, folks. I hope you saw how beautifully the stock market listened to us. Our predictions were absolutely bang on. Is to understand that all this is for informational and educational purposes only, and I don't want you to take a trade based on our predictions, although many of our predictions are coming true. What did we predict? We said that when Venus turns direct in the market, the Nifty 50, particularly led by Bank Nifty, the market will zoom up. Let's take last, uh, when do we take it? Let's take the Thursday, right? Thursday was the last day of the market, if I'm not wrong, right? Thursday, or is it Friday? Thursday, right. Now, Venus was retrograde on the day. Thursday, it was retrograde. Then on Friday, again, the market, the Venus was retrograde. Okay, there was no market on this day, if I'm not wrong. Or was there? I'm not sure. I don't remember that. Okay. Now, on 13th in the morning, around the morning time, Venus turned direct. There was no market yesterday. It because of holiday, it got closed and it opened up this morning. And we knew that the market was going to be bullish. Not only is it going to be bullish, is it going to be bullish today? We also expected a recovery bull run begin from today. All planets are direct. Okay. Now we still see Saturn, Rahu, Venus conjunction, and not our comfort, not very comfortable to see this. We would like planets to be slightly away from each other, but this is just a temporary phenomenon. This is going to go away in the next few days. Okay, and we have seen how the market has reacted to this particular swing up. As you can see here, the market went up. This is Nifty, Bank Nifty that I'm showing you. Bank Nifty opened around 2.45% up. And finally, when it closed, it pretty much closed around 3% or so. Look at the number of stocks that have contributed today, barring ITC, which actually was a minor 2 rupee 32 paisa down. 49 of the Nifty 50 stocks had been bullish. And look at the percentages of bullish here. Now, if you look at the HDFC Bank, went up by 3.26%. L&T went up by 4.59%. Axis Bank, 4.35%. Tata Motors, I've been telling you, okay, Tata Motors will recover, and it has gone up almost by 5%, 4.58%. Shriram Finance, by another very good company, 5.17%. IndusInd Bank had been taken a massive, beating, recovered smartly today. Dr. Reddy Labs, very big question mark, pharma company. We don't know what's going to happen in the medium term. I'm talking in the next 90 days. There's a lot of threat by our Trump Bhagavatar to put tariff on it. Eicher Motor, 3.71%. Adani Enterprises, 4 point. I'm not too sure if that's a good company that I would like to touch. But anyway, I just want to tell you the Hero Motor Corp, Hero Motors is primarily doing well because they are in the two-wheeler segment, whereas companies like Tata Motors in multiple four-wheeler segments. So four-wheeler segments report is going to come up. The automotive report is going to come up this week, so it's going to be fun to watch it. Now, everything else went up by a few points to a few more points, but these are the 5 to 7 stocks that really did well. Now, like to look at the Nifty Bank. All of the 13 Nifty Bank stocks were up. 1,427 points, 2.77% up, led by, of course, our dear HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, and Indus, whatever Indus is. But we're also seeing IDFC First Bank recovering. AU Bank is doing well. Canara Bank has done well. Bandhan Bank has done well. The rest of it has just gone up by about 0.5% to about 1%. Okay. Now, if you look at the financial services, all of them went up. Many of the 13 stocks are here as well, and a few other stocks are also there in this. So you can see REC Limited went up by more than 5%. Then we have LIC Housing Finance went up. So many of these finance companies will go up because the interest rates are falling. So naturally, we expected this to happen. Now, mid select, barring Max Health and Hindustan Petro, all other 23 of the 25 mid caps went up as well. Okay. Again, you will see Auro Pharma 5%, BSC. BSC is a monopoly, so naturally it will do well whenever the market is doing well. Policy Bazaar, again, insurance companies will do well, 5.93. Dixon went up by 4.45% with 14,983. 4.4% is like phenomenally high amount of money required to bring this stock up. When BHEL went up by 4.2%. Look, it's been a beautiful recovery. Emphasis went up by 5.3. And I'm not very bullish on the IT stocks, but still, we are seeing this again and again happening. Okay. Now, after a long time, after about a few days. Okay, we can see here when we had a death cross on the 1st of April 2025, when the market started going down and it went all the way down. We know this big fall of 993 points that fell, and pretty much everything has been recovered. And now we are looking at a golden crossover at 1:15 p.m. on the 1 hourly chart. So that's technically a very good thing to look at. And let's look at the daily chart. Is it still bullish or bearish on the daily chart? Even in the daily chart, we are seeing a good golden crossover that happened a few days ago, and it's continuing to widen. And we can see that the ADX is at 36 on a daily chart, whereas the ADX negative is 30. So on the daily chart, we still don't see a great momentum coming in. So if you had been waiting for the DMI to turn completely positive, you would have had to wait for a few more days, maybe 1 or 2 more days for it to happen. But astrology showed us that the market was going to be bullish from today. And that's exactly what we are seeing. And will it continue to be bullish? Let's look at that. And then let's look at 3 days of trading today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Only 3 days we have stock market. On the 18th, we don't have the stock market. Okay, let's quickly look at tomorrow. What's going to happen tomorrow when the market opens? Moon will be in Anuradha Nakshatra, owned by Saturn. Now, Moon is not opposing any planet. Moon is not really conjoined with any planet, but Saturn is uncomfortably, it's uncomfortably conjoined with two planets. Mercury is not conjoined with Saturn, it is beyond 3.2 degrees, but Rahu and Venus are conjoined with Saturn. So chances are there could be a mild profit booking tomorrow, but overall trend is bullish. So even if the market falls a little bit tomorrow, it'll actually give many people a good run for you to enter. And I will give you a screener for you to look at if you want to do daily day trading. And I'll give you the logic on how you can look at um, the swing trading or the positional trading. I'll teach you all of that. Tomorrow I will tell you that, but I'll give you a screener also today. You can take a look at it. Okay, so tomorrow, moon in Anuradha Nakshatra. Not an extremely comfortable position tomorrow because this particular alignment is unseen in the stock market for the last around 40 years. So we have no idea how this is going to behave, but judging by the last few weeks, last 3, 4 weeks, 3, 4 weeks, 15 days, 20 days of trading that I have seen, whenever moon is triggering this alignment, market has fallen down. So possibly we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. No specific prediction from me for tomorrow. Okay, I would urge you to be little careful about tomorrow. And if the market actually falls little bit tomorrow, can we take a trade? That is the question for which we will look at the 17th of April. The moon will shift into Jyeshta Nakshatra on Thursday. Mercury is the star lord. Now, Mercury is all alone. Okay, the speculative king of the Indian stock market. I like to call Mercury the speculative king of the Indian stock market because it controls the bullish sentiment of the market, and this is going to be pretty good. And Jupiter, although is not directly opposing Moon, it may begin to have a mild shadow over it as the day progresses. Okay, as the day progresses, particularly if you see around, let us say, 3 p.m. Okay, I'm just going to take 3 p.m. just for us to see this. It may be even be a little before 3 p.m. Jupiter and Moon will come within 3 degree 20 degree minutes of opposition 24:38, 21:26. It'll actually come maybe 15, 20 minutes or half an hour before that. Okay, so I will be very keen to look at the market at this time around 2:30 p.m. If I look at it, 21:30, no, it may not happen around 2:30 p.m., but it may happen slightly after 2:30, 2:40 or so. We can expect even that is not going to happen. Maybe two, right. Let's just see 1 second. 27, we just need 7. Okay, so this is probably going to be just 3 p.m. At around 3 p.m. Yes, bang right. Precisely at 3 p.m., Moon and Jupiter will come bang opposite each other. So wonderful time to take a look at the market on Thursday, but I do expect the market to be bullish on Thursday. So in short, all I'm saying is this week, tomorrow, that is 16th of April 2025, no specific prediction as the planet alignment is unseen in the past. So I don't have any data to correlate. Nobody has any idea how the market is going to behave. Likely to be mildly or can be bearish or mildly weak, I will say. Okay. So it could even be that it because Venus has turned direct, the market can even zoom up tomorrow. I don't know, but I'm not too very confident that the market is going to be super bearish, super bullish tomorrow. That super bullishness I'm not going to see. It's going to be slightly sluggish, what I would say. Okay, slightly bearish or sluggish tomorrow. But does it mean that you can go ahead and short the market tomorrow? No, I don't want you to do that. Don't go short tomorrow, right? The market is looking pretty strong, very strong, technically looking super strong, astrologically is looking super strong. So, not a good time to go short tomorrow. If the stocks or indices fall below the 20 period moving average, okay, you may consider a positional entry into the instrument of your choice. You may consider now positional long entry. Tomorrow, if the market indeed falls and touches the 20 period moving average, you want to do a 1 hourly, you want to do a daily, you want to do a weekly, that's entirely up to you. Look at the moving average. 20 period moving average should be above the 50 period moving average. That means the stock is bullish, the instrument is bullish. But tomorrow the fall happens, it comes and touches the 20 period moving average or even goes below the 20 period moving average. Happily take a long on this long entry on this, but your stop loss will be ME50 minus ATR. Whatever is the rate that you are seeing here, go ahead and put the stop loss minus 50, ME50 minus ATR. Okay. I will give you a screener for you to look at it. I will share it in the WhatsApp group and the Telegram group today, so that I will do it only for day trading. I will not do it for the momentum, but the logic is the same. If you take an hourly chart, you can do a daily trading. If you do a daily chart, you can do the swing trading. If you do a weekly chart, you can do a positional trading. That's the logic. Okay. So I repeat, you analyze the daily the hourly chart, you can do a day trading. If you analyze a day chart, you can do a swing trading, maybe for a week or 10 days, 15 days. If you do a weekly chart analysis, you can do positional trading. You can actually keep it for a fairly long period of time. On the 17th of April 2025, I expect the market to be bullish. Okay, I do expect the market to be bullish because moon will be in Mercury star, particularly around 3 o'clock. There's going to be a doom dhamaka like what happened today. I expect the market to really zoom up. And remember, it's going to be a nifty expiry day on Thursday. So trade carefully. And again, I would not want you to take any positions without checking with your investment advisor. Remember that this is for educational and information purposes only. I'm not here to tell you to buy or not buy. Clearly, I am not a registered investment advisor or a financial advisor, even though most of our predictions are coming true from time to time. All the very best to you guys. Any questions, any doubts that you may have, you may feel free to. Randy, I have taken Bangalore. Mumbai difference is only going to be about 5 minutes. Yeah, it's not going to be anything big. Yeah. Okay, moon position only we are taking, na? So maybe the Mumbai position that will be pretty much the same. Actually, even in Mumbai, 3 p.m. the difference is few seconds only, few minutes, maybe 1 or 2 minutes, 3 minutes difference will be there in moon position. Lagna position will be very big. It'll be 10 minutes or so, but moon position is barely difference because moon is 238,000 miles away from planet earth. So for it to move into the conjunction or the opposition angle, as seen from Mumbai and as seen from Bangalore, is hardly any difference will be there. So don't worry about it. Okay. All right, Nupurji, you may unmute yourself and tell me. I have unmuted you. Do you have any questions?
Hi, sir. Yeah, I do have questions. I need to understand when are you starting with your astrology course?
The financial astrology course is beginning on Monday, 21st of April 2025.
Okay. And sir, this trading and this all is alien to me. I know nothing. I only know
Neither
stocks.
do I know anything about all of this, but I will teach you everything that I have analyzed. I don't know anything about stock market. Okay, I am a novice in the stock market, and I don't want to pretend that I know these technical indicators or this fundamental indicators and things like that. I know astrology, and I have observed the market for over about
So,
15 months, and I have studied it for the last 40 years of data, and I will give you all the data points.
okay, so for the astrology thing, it's just the stocks you're talking about, right? The short selling, I don't know what is short selling and all that.
Now, I will give you, I'll probably find somebody who can teach you a little better than me. I will share with you whatever little I know about going short and going long and how to do options and futures and, what are the different numbers that we need to look at, the option pricing and things like that. But I'm not here to teach you how to trade. I'm here to teach you how to use astrology to take positions.
Sure. And who do I speak with regarding the admission and the fee? I don't know anything about that also.
I will share the if you are in the Telegram group or in the WhatsApp group, the many times in the last about 3 4 days we have shared the sign up links. Take a look at it once again, please,
In the Telegram, right?
in the Telegram channel as well as in the WhatsApp channel. Please search for it and you can definitely get it. And I'm going to be uploading this video on YouTube. I will provide the link for the signing up for the course in the YouTube link as well. And
Cool.
when
Got
we distribute the recording link for today's video YouTube link, when I am sharing it across to all the groups, I will also give you the sign up link for our course.
Okay. And what is the duration of the course, please?
It'll going to be a 15-day course, so it's going to be 2 hours a day for 15 days spread over 4 to 5 weeks,
Got
so
it.
about
Okay.
3 classes a week. And conveniently it'll be between 8 p.m. and 10 p.m. in the night. And perhaps for 2 or 3 days in between, we may have it during the trading hours for you to see how it works.
Got it, sir. Thank you so much. I'll look for it.
All right. Thank you very much. Okay, Kumar, I understand your question. What is the situation of stock market in both intraday and long term in the month of April? We shall take a look at it on Thursday or Friday or Wednesday. Tomorrow we will take a look at it because you may want to take position on it on Thursday, and we can definitely analyze it on Thursday. So on Wednesday, so that on Thursday you can take an entry if you need to and look at how the market is going to go forward. There will be a correction fall in this bull run itself. This is a smart recovery bull run that is starting today, but it will have a bearish fall. It will have a bearish fall. It will have a slight recovery. I call it a pullback if you want, but it will come, and I will show you when it will come. Okay, and so that you can take the correct kind of position on it and make sure that your entry and exits are carefully planned. Okay, again, I want you to discuss with your investment advisor before taking any trade. All the very best, guys. Good luck. Be blessed by the divine. Stay tuned. I'll keep coming back to you with more and more analysis of this beautiful system that we are developing. I don't think there's anybody in the world that can predict the level of accuracy with which we are predicting with our Krishnamurti Paddhati astrology system. So all the very best, guys. Enjoy yourself. The Doom Dhamaka is going to be there for a few more days. Enjoy the bull run. Take care. Good luck. May the Almighty Force and our Guru always be there with you. Be blessed by the divine.